Hello friends, welcome once again to BrinaCreations. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. In today's video, we're going to be making yam and potatoes with egg stew using tin tomatoes. Yes guys, so it's been a while guys, and I'm so happy to be back with you, my lovely people. I had to take some time out to sort out some personal issues, and it feels good to be back. I hope you didn't miss me too much. So I've fried my onions and I've added my ginger, garlic. I'm going in with my curry and thyme, and then my mixed spices. I'm going to stir all this until they are, fragrant, and then I'm going to be adding my tin tomatoes. I'm using tin tomatoes not because I don't have tomatoes on ground, but because I did not bring them out to thaw. If you've been watching my videos, you know I usually meal prep and I make my stew base and store in my freezer. I usually bring it out the night before to thaw so that I can use it the next morning, because I always make fresh meals every day that we take to work and my children take to school. So I'm just going to fry this. The secret to this is to fry the hell out of it. Meanwhile, because we're also trying to reduce some funds, we all know that yam is very expensive now. That's what we're supplementing with some sweet potatoes. So I have my yam cooking. Because yam takes longer to cook, especially because it's old yam, we have allowed this to cook halfway, and then I'm adding my sweet potatoes. Then I have my salt and then some water to just ensure that I have enough water going to allow the heat, cook it properly, and then back to my stew. Yes. I just added my pepper and crayfish mix, which I also do when I'm meal prepping. If you've not seen my meal prepping videos, you want to check it out. I'm going to be linking some in this video, just above the video or in the description. You can check any link. Now my tomatoes is properly fried. You can see that from how it looks. It has already started to scatter about the place, and I'm adding water. Yes, water. If you have meat stock, you can add. I don't have at the moment. Like I said, I did not bring it out to thaw. I felt so tired the night before, and then I couldn't do the usual routine that I do. I have a 9 to 5 job. If you are new here, you're welcome, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your love and support. I truly appreciate you guys. My potato and of course yam is done by now, and I'm going to be straining the water and then continue with my stew. I have a 9 to 5 job that is very demanding, and the only way I'm able to keep up with running my home and then performing well or having my sanity at workplace also is to make sure I meal prep and prepare in advance. Planning is the key, and that's what I try to encourage you guys to do on this channel, and also living healthy alongside. I added my crayfish and then my salt, and then I'm going to be stirring this and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, just because I want the tin tomatoes to cook very well. As we all know, some tin tomatoes can be very tangy and some are tangier than the others, and so baking soda is a rescue for me. It's game changer for softening your meat, beans, and then sour taste of your meals, especially with tin tomatoes. So at this stage, the taste was turned around. I don't know if it's because of these tin tomatoes I was using. Despite all the frying, I still had this weird taste, and when I added my baking soda, the taste changed. And I always preach healthy living here, so I don't encourage using account. Baking soda is your run to when it comes to things like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my content. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to manage your home on a budget and living healthy in the process. So if you like content like this, you want to subscribe, share, like, and drop your comments below. I would really appreciate it, guys. I'm adding in my eggs and have reduced the heat to very low heat so that the eggs can cook and clump together. At this point, I'm not going to be stirring roughly. I've allowed it to cook a little bit, and then I'm going to be stirring it just gently, a little at a time, to ensure that the clumps are together. You can do more if you like, or you can even break everything together. Another way to make your easiest egg stew is to you have your stew, maybe your leftover stew, and then you just run it. Guys, I try to make sure that there are no limits to healthy living or eating healthy on my channel, and so you want to subscribe to join the amazing family. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.